Now we will see how to make basic quilling shapes. For that we need quilling strips and quilling needle. Now let us see how to make basic quilling shape. Take a paper quilling strip, put one end into the slot of quilling needle. Now start roll. Keep your finger such a way that the roll should not get scattered. Now let it open up. Let it open up in your palm or on a table. Now your loose coil is ready. So similarly, take another strip, put one end into the slot of quilling needle similarly, and then roll it up. After rolling is completed, then you have to press the roll by using your thumb and index finger twice or thrice to put extra pressure on the coil, so it will not open up as like loose coil. It will open up but not as like loose coil. Now your semi-tight coil is ready. Now take another strip, put it on the slot of quilling needle, roll it up, roll it tightly. Now put a little glue on the another end and seal it, so it should not scattered open. Now your tight coil is ready. Now we will make ring coil. Take another strip. Now put it around the handle of quilling needle, put a little glue on it. Now roll it slowly and correct it in between, so it should not get scattered, it should roll nicely. And at the other end, after rolling is over, at the other end put a little glue and seal it, so it will not open up. Now this ring coil is ready. Put one side of the strips into the slot of the quilling needle and roll it. After rolling it up, let it open up. After opening it up, put a little glue to close the coil's other end. Now press one side by one hand's fingertips and make a edge on side. Now the teardrop as shown in the picture is ready. Now take another strip, put in the slot of quilling needle and roll it up. After every rolling is over, you have to press a little bit on the roll by use your thumb and index to make it semi-tight coil. Semi-tight coil will be more beautiful than the loose coil. Now similarly seal it and press it from one hand to make a edge, to make a teardrop. Now twist the edge of the teardrop as shown in the picture by both the hands. Now your carved teardrop is ready. Take another strip, put into the slot of quilling needle, roll it. After rolling is over, let it open up. Now put a glue to seal the roll and now press the coil from both the sides, but it should not get pressed on the middle as shown in the video. This is look like an eye. This is known as Marquise or eye. Take another strip and roll it by the help of quilling needle After rolling over, now let it open up. Put a little glue on it and seal the coil so it should not open up unnecessarily. Press the coil from both the side by both hands finger as shown to make the eye. Once eye is ready, now twist both the edges by the help of both hands, thumbs and index to make a S-like shape. It is a beautiful unit of quilling known as curved marquise or curved eye.